In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Notion account. This process will guide you through each step, ensuring you can access your workspace efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in, quote, google.com, quote, and press enter. This action will take you to the Google homepage, which is the starting point for your search. Next, in the Google search box, type in Notion and hit enter again. This will display a list of search results related to Notion. Look for the official Notion website link among the results, which typically appears at the top of the page. After locating the Notion website link, click on it to navigate to the Notion homepage. Once the page loads, you will see various options related to Notion, including a prominent button that says Login. Once you find a Login button, click on it. This will redirect you to the Login page where you can enter your credentials. You will notice fields for email and password on this screen. At this point, click on the area labeled Email. This action allows you to input your email address associated with your Notion account. Carefully type in your email address. After entering your email, a verification email will be sent to your Gmail account. Check your inbox for this email, which will contain a link to complete your login process. If the email does not appear within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can click on the option that says Continue with Google. This will prompt you to select the Gmail account you wish to use for logging in. When prompted, choose the email address you would like to use. This action will lead you to the next step automatically, where you will need to click on the Continue button to finalize the login process. After clicking Continue, you should be logged into your Notion account. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may cause delays during the login process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.